Now this is supposed to be restarting right now, but look at it. We're stuck on the black screen. So I have no idea what's going on right now. This is really, really bizarre. I hit restart. Chose restart from the Apple menu, drop down menu, and now this is what it is, a black screen. So now I'm going to have to do a cold restart. Stop. Okay. Now I'm going to try restart again. As you see the light here. Okay, now here it is. But no chime. You hear that? No chime. I have no idea what's going on.